Most authors spend hours, sometimes even days, digging through the internet to research content for their books. But what if I told you ChatGPT can now do the deep research for you, helping you write much faster? Hi, I'm Layla, the digital avatar of AI for writers. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful ways authors can save time and write better books, blog posts, and other content. Use case 1. Validate book ideas. Instead of guessing whether your book idea has demand, ChatGPT can analyze what readers are saying across Amazon reviews, Reddit, and blogs. How to do it? Open ChatGPT, switch on Deep Research, and type, research the top 50 books in the productivity niche. Summarize recurring themes in reviews, list 5 pain points readers mention most often, and identify gaps these books don't cover. Don't worry about remembering it. I've put this prompt and the others mentioned in this video in the description below. Most likely, ChatGPT will ask you a few questions to better understand the task. Nothing difficult. Simply answer based on your needs, and within minutes, you'll have clear proof of what readers want and what's missing in the market. Here's what I got. A list of popular productivity books, a summary of reader feedback, and the top 5 recurring pain points across reviews. It's a solid starting point for understanding your niche better. Use case 2. Summarize complex topics. Nonfiction authors often need to analyze complex subjects and explain them to their readers in simple terms. Deep research helps you do this much faster. For example, you might want to summarize the latest developments in AI tools for small businesses. Prompt ChatGPT with, summarize the latest developments in AI tools for small businesses using reliable sources. Organize the summary into beginner-friendly explanations with bullet points and definitions. And here, I received a report on the main trends and statistics in the small business AI tools market, with links to all sources. This gives you digestible material you can base your book on. Use case 3. Gather competing angles. Understanding the competition is key. Deep research can reveal how other books are positioned, what they're saying, and where you can stand out. Use a prompt like this, and don't forget to switch to deep research mode. Analyze the top 10 best-selling books in time management. List their main claims, then highlight contradictions, overlaps, and unique gaps I could explore in a new book. And here I have reader review insights as a general summary and individually for each book, along with the top 5 common pain points and recurring content gaps. This makes it easy to spot a fresh angle for your manuscript. Use case 4. Find credible data and statistics. Readers love facts, but finding reliable ones is time-consuming. Deep research can locate stats and cite sources for you, so you don't have to search manually. Use this prompt. Find 10 up-to-date statistics on remote work productivity. Include the source name, publication date, and link for fact-checking. This prompt, along with the rest mentioned in the video, is in the description below. Check them out. This is what I got. 10 key statistics on remote versus in-office productivity in Europe, each with a link to the original source. Good to reference in your book, use in presentations, or even add as credibility-boosting data points in your marketing. Use case 5, build reader avatars. To connect with readers, you need to understand them deeply. That means knowing their demographics, interests, and pain points. In other words, creating reader avatars. A lot of this information can be found online in discussions and forums. In the past, you had to search for it and analyze it manually, trying to figure out the main trends. Now, ChatGPT's deep research can do heavy lifting for you. Use this prompt. Based on Amazon reviews, Reddit threads, and Quora discussions, create a reader avatar for people frustrated with diet books. Include age range, gender split, goals, pain points, and what they feel current books don't deliver. And here's what I got. a description of a frustrated diet book reader avatar, their age range, gender split, primary goals, main pain points, and ideas for what current diet books don't deliver. This helps you create content that speaks directly to your audience's real struggles. So, there you have it. 5 powerful ways authors can use ChatGPT's deep research, plus the exact steps to get started, validate ideas, simplify complex topics, analyze competition, find credible data, and build reader avatars. Which of these would save you the most time in your writing process? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.